Alright, so I did a video actually probably about a year ago now, a year or two. I got this pressure washer here for free, and it needed a carburetor on it, and it ran great. The pump failed a couple weeks ago, so here we are. We're going to put a brand new pump. The thing, I don't know exactly what happened to it. It's like it wouldn't, it's like it was jammed up. I tried to hook the water hose up to it, and I couldn't get any water to come out of it. I came back the next day, it was leaking out of that crack right there the next day. So here we have a brand new pump. It was $100 on Amazon, and it looks really simple to bolt up. Look at that. Alright, this one had this keeper, so that needs to be transferred over. Probably actually should put this on the spindle. Alright, so I'm kind of questioning this thing here, if it has oil or not pre-installed. It doesn't really say on the website. Oh, yep, it's got oil in it. Right here, this hole here is for the engine oil drain. So while I'm at it, I'm going to change the engine oil. I already drained it. I drained it when I started to work on the thing. Alright, that's right where it should be. I'm going to run this thing and check it again. Alright, that's a better sign than before. I wasn't even having water coming out of that. Alright, cool. That thing is it's up and running again, so that's cool.